Hey everyone, I'm Rohan from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to clear your job search history on Indeed. Clearing your search history can help protect your privacy and keep your recent searches organized. So, let's get started on how to clear your job history on Indeed. Start by opening the Indeed app on your device. Now, tap on the search box. You will see a cross icon next to your recent searches. Tap the cross icon next to any search entry you want to remove. If you accidentally delete an item, you can tap the undo button that appears temporarily. Repeat the process for any other entries you want to clear. To confirm, tap on the search box again to see that your recent entries are gone. And that's how you can clear job history on Indeed. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment below if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our upcoming videos.